Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Here I have a Nokia 5220 XpressMusic. Well, like always missing the battery cover. And time that I refurbish this phone. Also the selector here is napped. And I move the battery just a little and it turned off. Well, saved me a turn off press while the phone is a bit bent here. Let's begin. This is snapped. Oh, snap. Since it's already snapped and unfixable, well, glueable, but meh, I don't care. Also, I'm going to put a blue body shell, not red, like this one. Because I'm blue, da body, you know the music. Look at how much dust is in this thing. Okay, here's the frame. This thing is already half taken off. Here's the display. A little bit of corrosion to maximize the pain. And the main board. Vibrator. For the back side. Let me look at the new body shell. It's as empty as my soul. So, you know what? I'm gonna keep the old one. Because I don't want to unstick the speakers and the antenna. This antenna is also sticked here. So, yeah. Well, time to get cleaning. And I'll be right back with you. Alright, I've cleaned these parts. Time to put it back together. Because they're all in this together. Man, that was lame. Get in here. That's right, you two. Okay, yeah, that's not what I wanted to do, but good enough. Okay, just to plug the keyboard in its rightful plug. Just to be safe, you know. Good. And 2. Here's 3. And 4. Heh, boy. Good. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Battery in. So should be the battery cover. What the heck got on this thing? Well, I left it somewhere and it got a bit dirty, but nah. If I feel like it, I will clean it someday, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. That's right, it's a Nokia and an XpressMusic one mod off. I'm talking to the phone, not you, the viewer. Nothing in it. $116 hours. Yep. Well, this was the restoration video of the Nokia 5220. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, it helps the channel a lot, share it with your friends if they also like this, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye. Vibrator.